In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create an SMS campaign in SalesCaptain. Let's dive in. Head over to the Campaigns page under Marketing and click Create Campaign. Click Create New. Type in a name for your campaign. We'll call this one Summer Promo. Then click the arrow on the right to move forward. Now, a recipient's pop-up appears where you can narrow down exactly who gets this SMS. We'll filter by tags and select June 2026 leads, then click Select Recipient to lock that in. You'll see a schedule step in the visual editor. Click into it to choose when your campaign goes out, whether that's immediately, on a specific date, or spread over time. We're scheduling ours for July 1st. From here, you can build out the campaign however you like. We'll drag and drop a Send SMS node right onto the canvas. Click into the node to edit it and write your message. And if you need help, you can use the AI prompt to write it for you. When everything looks good, hit Launch Campaign. You'll be taken back to the campaign list where you can see your new SMS campaign is live and running. And that's it! Head to salescaptain.com to start your free trial today.